Can I be Pornhub.com?
Hell yeah.
The name was already taken, I think. Or it was inappropriate.
Can I be xhamster.com?
Can I
Sure.
be niggalamp.com?
Hell yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Soundboard, I'm actually gonna team kill you.
Not Legion, no.
Okay.
Not my baby.